This and the following slide provide an overview of the measurements made by the NASA Langley Trace Gas Group on the HU-25 Falcon during Activate. The trace gas instrument suite is comprised of 3 instruments as shown in the table. The instruments are a diode laser hygrometer, which is an open path near-infrared absorption instrument where the optical path is entirely outside the aircraft between window in the cabin shown in the photograph in the bottom center, and a retroreflector on the starboard side instrumentation pylon shown in the bottom left. The other 2 instruments are located entirely inside the trace gas rack shown in the bottom center, and they include a Picaro G2401 with which we measure carbon dioxide, methane, and carbon monoxide. The 3rd instrument is a 2B-Tech ozone monitor, which we use to measure ozone. The data parameters for these instruments are shown in the table. For the 2020 campaign, all data are in the archive, are public, and are final. For the 2021 campaign, we're still completing processing of the final data. There are some issues with data that the users should be aware of. DLH data is occasionally missing due to inability to penetrate extremely dense clouds with the optical beam, or occasionally back reflection from cloud droplets which contaminate the signal. Those problematic data are all removed. The Picaro suffered a leak during flights 1 through 9 in the 2020 campaign. The data that were removed were primarily at high altitude, so those are not in the archive. The ozone instrument is subject to some altitude or pressure dependence, and we try to calibrate that out in the lab, but there may be some residual effect that the user should be aware of.